Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into Developer Options, open Settings, then System, and tap Developer Options. If Developer Options is hidden, unlock the device and tap build number 7 times under About Phone to reveal it. Once done, make sure you have physical access to the device. That prevents accidental remote commands. You do this because the USB debugging control lives here, and disabling it removes ADB access. Now locate the USB debugging toggle. That's the first actionable control you will change. Now you disable the debugging features. Flip the USB debugging toggle off. After you do that, tap Revoke USB debugging authorizations to clear any paired computers. This ensures old hosts cannot reconnect. If your device shows wireless debugging or ADB over network, disable those too, otherwise ADB can still reach your phone via Wi-Fi. Make sure to confirm any prompts that ask you to allow or revoke access. This sequence prevents both USB and network ADB access immediately. Finish by exiting Developer Options and rebooting the device. A reboot ensures services drop active ADB sessions. Once restarted, go back briefly to Developer Options to verify USB debugging and wireless debugging are off. If you still see unexpected access or persistent ADB connections, revoke OEM unlocking and check for companion apps granting remote control. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove stubborn configurations. Troubleshooting tip: if a specific computer still reconnects, clear its RSA keys on both the device and that computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.